Hi. As I got meanwhile several requests of kind people wanting to actively support and help to keep running this channel, I have created a Patreon page. As you perhaps have already noticed, I changed the logo of the YouTube channel with a picture of me, that you can have an idea of who you support. Yes, that's me. This is what the new Patreon page looks like. I've put the link in the description. I set up 3 levels for 3, 5 and 10 euros. But to make this absolutely clear, all of my general videos, now and in future, will of course be free to watch for everybody, as they were before. And it's absolutely fine if you decide against becoming an active member, as not for everybody it's possible to spend some money, especially in the current situation. You can use this resource the same way like you did before. Nevertheless, all requests and suggestions from active supporters will be given always priority, as their support now makes them part of the inner circle of the family. With each level, you get early access to my content. This means that you are able to see new videos 24 hours before they go public. For every new video, I will make a posting here on Patreon with the new video link. The 2 higher levels will additionally be able to download the project file of the current and previous videos. Floopers and pro floopers will be credited in each video as supporters and main supporters of my channel. On top of the project file, pro floopers will be able to download zip files containing all presets and samples I've created in the videos. I will prepare everything that you can simply extract these zips to your user library, and they will be put into the correct places to be directly available in the plugin's preset menu. Respectively, for samples, you can extract them to a place of your choice, but they will be prepared with the matching metadata for immediate use in FL Studio. Once a month, I will make a special content available. This might be an additional preset or sample pack. This might be a special tutorial for an advanced topic or request from a patron of this group. Just hit the join button of the level of your choice, choose the amount you like to actually spend, and enter the payment details, respectively choose PayPal. You can of course cancel this payment anytime. For everybody who doesn't want to use Patreon but want to support my channel, feel free to support me directly via PayPal. I put the needed information in the description too. Please use then the message function of PayPal with your email address, or send me an email with your PayPal name. As long as I can manage it manually, you will get access to the same rewards as you would get via the Patreon site. If someday in future this shouldn't be possible anymore, I will notify everybody. Again, I'm absolutely fine with everybody using the channel the same way like before, and there will be no restrictions at all. But everybody who wants to become an active member is now able to do so and will always have a special place in my heart. Thank you for watching.